So this projector with water wave light is what it's called. So this set comes from the ACVCY Sport Company, and they sent it to me from their Amazon store. So this is the projector. Comes with a spike, so you can put it in the ground outside. Remote control that controls all the different colors and the lights on and off. These are the slides. I think there were 12 in all. From Valentine's Day, Halloween, all kinds of spooky things, Christmas, birthday slides, and thank them for sending it to me. It was great. I think I'll give it to my niece and her family so they can use it. But let me just turn the light on for you so you can see how it changes colors. Go to the side. And the slide goes right here. I'm going to shut this off with the remote. And I'll leave all the information for this in the description box. Thanks guys for riding with me, and I will see you all in my next production. Take care.